Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is a delicious summertime smoothie recipe. So this is one of my go-to smoothie recipes, one of my favorite ones I've ever made. And let me tell you what's in this thing. I had 3 medjool dates. I had 1 cup of frozen blueberries. It had 5 frozen ripe bananas. Now the way that I do my frozen bananas is I let them get nice and ripe. I put them in the freezer with the peel on, and when I go to blend them, I take them out and I soak them in a tub of hot water for about 4 minutes, and they come right out of the peel, and this has the best consistency. So that's the way that I like to do it. This smoothie also had a sprinkle of cinnamon, and it had a serving of peanut butter, which was about 2 tablespoons. It also had 1 cup of coconut water and about 3/4 cup of almond milk. Now, I make my smoothies quite large and filling because I use this as one of my meals throughout the day, and I'm very active as well. So this smoothie here has about 1,000 calories. Now, the option is you can make this and split it with somebody if you don't want such a large smoothie, or you can just use less of each ingredient. But for me, I like to have a nice, large, filling, delicious smoothie. So that's why I make it the size that I make it. And this made just a little bit over 1 liter. And what I do is I'll make the smoothie, then I'll go back to my desk, I'll continue my work day, and I'll eat it nice and slowly. I don't recommend guzzling it. It's better for your blood sugars if you're eating your food more slowly, and if it's a smoothie, you want to chew your smoothies and not just guzzle it down. So there's a tip right there. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let me know your thoughts. I hope everyone has a great day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.